Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Today we are going to start by our subject English. As we have completed by our section number 3.1 summary writing explanation. Today we are going to start by brainstorming activities. Moving further, starting by brainstorming activity A1 of your test book. In your test book A1, the question is given, read the passage and write its summary according to the given steps which we have already studied in our earlier videos. So here the passage is given about communication. If the slide is not visible, you can take your textbook and see. Communication is a part of our daily, everyday life. We greet one another, smile or frown, depending on our moods. Animals, too, communicate much to our surprise. Just like us, interaction among animals can be both verbal or non-verbal. Singing is one way in which animals can interact with one another. Male blackbirds often use their melodious song to catch the attention of the females. Their songs are usually rich in notes, variation, encoding various kinds of messages. Songs are also used to warn and keep off other blackbirds from their territory, usually a place where they dwell or reproduce. Large mammals in the ocean sing too, according to adventurous sailors. Enormous whales groan and grunt, while smaller dolphins and porpoises produce pings, whistle, and clicks. These sounds are surprisingly received by other mates as far as several hundred kilometers away. So, this is our passage given in our textbook, and we have to write the summary of this passage according to the step given in our textbook, what I have explained to you. Okay, so I have given answer also, but you have to write in your own words also. Now, before writing a summary, we have to give title to a particular passage. So the title is, as our passage was dealing by communication, so our title is Communication Means of Living. Starting by the answer, humans communicate with one another depending upon their moods. Animals also communicate, sing, and interact with the same species. Male blackbirds attract females by songs filled with messages, as well as it is a threat to other blackbirds. Spelling mistake, it is blackbirds written over here. Correct it down, blackbirds. Sea animals also communicate, sing like whales, groan and grunt. Dolphins and porpoises produce pings, whistles, click. Their mates can receive the sound from 100 kilometers also. So this is our summary of the passage given in our test book, and it is according to the steps. You can give your title a better one also, and you can write a summary more than good what you feel, but do not use your own words, your own ideas or examples. Okay, moving further to our summary writing brainstorming activity A2. So the first question is cut redundant words. Now what is redundant? I already explained you in my earlier video when I have explained you the summary writing of our textbook. Redundant means unnecessary words. In a sentence or in a paragraph where are unnecessary words which are not useful too much in the sentence, in a particular given sentence. So that word should be omitted or cut. So here we are often inefficient in our language using more words. Consider the following phrases. Find 5 more redundant words from this. Now see, the option has been given to us. A, circle around can become only circle, right? Around is unnecessarily used. Write down can become write. Added bonus. Simply we can use bonus. Get to the point as quickly as possible. So it can be become as get to, right? Close proximity can be become as close. During the course of is can be used just as during. So likewise word we have to find and write how much? 5, at least 5. So each and every can become each. Exactly the same can become same. Free gift can become gift. Repeat again can become repeat. One and the same can become same. So I hope you understood the redundant words, that is the unnecessary words. Moving further, second, avoid adverbs. Adverb clutter up your copy. You can usually live without them. Here are some examples. That's usually a good thing to do. So that's a good thing to do. A sentence can be used as like that. That's a good thing to do. Usually is not required. Adverbs. What is adverb? I hope everybody know what is adverb. Adding the verbs. Right? It is our action. That's fairly good coffee. So that's good coffee. So sentence can be said as that's good coffee. I totally agree. Instead of that, I can say I agree. Actually, I disagree. So instead of actually I disagree, I can say I disagree. So here we have deleted all those italicized word and rewrite the sentence again. So how the sentence will be? Answer, that's a good thing to do. What was earlier the sentence was? That's usually a good thing to do. So we have removed usually, and instead of usually the sentence become as that's a good thing to do. That's good coffee. I agree. I disagree. Actually, I disagree. So instead of that, I disagree. Moving further, take the screenshot of this answer and write it down in your online assignment book. Moving further, third one in A2 is one word substitution. Instead of that, what is the word will be? That you have to write. One word substitute are words that replace a group of words or a full sentence effectively without creating any ambiguity in the meaning of the sentences. The word is used but the meaning is not changing. So that word we have to find it down and we have to write it down. So here the 4 is given to us. The life story of a man written by himself. A book which is written by a person himself upon him, that book is called as autobiography. A sound that cannot be heard, we cannot listen the sound, so that is called as, what is the proper term for it? Inaudible. Audible which can be listened, inaudible which cannot be listened. A list of books, so a proper word is catalog. A sentence whose meaning is unclear, meaning is not understandable by anyone. So that sentence, a sentence whose meaning is unclear, so the proper word is ambiguous. So what is the our part to do? Find as many example as you can from the internet and make a list. So you have to make a list. So you can go by yourself. You have to do the homework in your online assignment book, or I have also given to you. You can copy that also in your online assignment book. So the first one is a place where orphans live. Orphan whose parents are not there. So a place where the orphans are living. That place is called as orphanage. Moving further, second one, practice of having several wives. That system is called as polygamy. I hope science and art students, you have studied sociology, and in your sociology you have studied about polygamy. A person who is having several wives, that system is called as polygamy. So the term is polygamy, a keeping of several wives, 2 or 3 or more than that wives. So that system is called as polygamy. Moving further, people living in the same time. The proper term is contemporaries. A book written by an unknown author. Author is not known to us of a particular book. So that book is called as anonymous. One who eats too much. A person who is eating too much. So he is called as glutton. One who questions everything. Cynic. Every time, every way, in every situation, he is just asking questions. So that person is called as cynic. A game in which no one wins. That particular game is called as draw. Usually we see in our chess, right? A game in which no one wins. So the proper term is draw. A study of animals is called as zoology, where every animal is studied. That proper term is given to it, to that study is called as zoology. A study of ancient things, where we study the things related to our ancient times. Historical study is called as archaeology. A position for which no salary is paid. A position is there, but there is no salary for that position. So that is called as honorary. Now moving further to our next sub part of our brainstorming activity, summary writing, brainstorming A3. Let's start. Use of noun in apposition. Now what is apposition? Apposition is a grammatical construction in which two elements, normally noun phrases, are placed side by side, with one element serving to identify the other in a different way. The two elements are said to be in apposition. Apposition can be used to make the compound sentences short and simple. Now see, the example has been given to us over here is Neha is their eldest child and she is very intelligent. Now see, by the name Neha, we come to know that she is the daughter of someone, right? So here they have also mentioned like is their eldest child. We come to know that she is their eldest child. Eldest child, and what, she is very intelligent. So here this is the apposition. So I hope you people are getting it. What is apposition? Neha, as she is the daughter, she is the eldest child and she is very intelligent. Neha, their eldest child, is very intelligent. Transforming complex to simple by using phrases like to, or using noun phrases instead of a clause. Nagpur is the city where oranges grow. So in simple term, how we will transfer complex to simple sentence? Oranges grow in Nagpur. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. The old man is too weak to walk. So we have used the word to or to in a sentence, removing so and that over here. Moving further, Mr. Rohit is a member and he is also the director. So our answer will be Mr. Rohit is a member and the director also. Again here the use of he is there in the sentence, so that we will remove, and the director also, he is also we have removed. Okay, moving further to our next question. The room is so small that it cannot accommodate many people. So here see so and that is used. So instead of using so and that, we will convert our sentence by using to and to. So how our sentence will become? The room is. So is there. Instead of so we will use to. The room is too small. Instead of that we will use to. Accommodate, that it, instead of that it we will place to. Accommodate many people. The room is too small to accommodate many people. The room is so small that it cannot accommodate many people. So our answer will become the room is too small to accommodate many people. So now here see, our question was in negative form and our answer has become in a positive form, right? So that is the thing, that it cannot. So cannot is also removed. Moving further, see here the formula is given to. Whenever you are using to, you have to add adjective. Adjective means the particular quality you are using, plus to and infinitive. Infinitive means verb. verb form you have to use. To plus adjective plus to plus infinitive. Let's see the example of it. You have to prove that you are innocent. So you have to prove your innocence. You have to prove that you are innocent. So your answer will become you have to prove your innocence. To prove is your infinitive word. Moving further, he was late, so he walked in a great hurry. Being late, he walked in a great hurry. He was late, so he walked in a great hurry. See, the term is used as a so. We have to remove that so. So, how we will convert our answer? Being late, he walked in a great hurry. We have removed he was. And we have used continuation form. Being late, he walked in a great hurry. Now see, it is a short uh, form I have written over here. The answer is also there. You can see in the slides. I hope that the slides are visible to you people. I've already completed by this activity. This is A2 of our brainstorming activity. Circle around can become circle, write down can become write, added bonus is simply a bonus. Okay, get to the point as quickly as possible is really get to the point. Close proximity is close, during the course of is will become during. So our answer for the shortcut I already have given to you, but here are some another also. The terms can be adequate enough, written back, new innovation, final destination, free gift, actual fact, anonymous stranger, brief summary, first one, merge together, plus in addition, past history, round circle. So adequate enough. So the term can be used as enough. Written back. So you can use written or you can use back. New innovation. You can use new or you can use innovation. So likewise you can use only one word. So the unnecessary word can be cut down. Moving further, A2, that is avoid verbs. Again, this thing I have given you one by one. Over here, this is clubbed and written. That's a good thing to do. That's good coffee. I agree. I disagree. Next, one word substitution. I already given to you. The life story of a man written by himself is known as autobiography. A sound that cannot be heard is called as inaudible. A list of book is called as catalog. A sentence whose meaning is unclear, ambiguous. This was in our textbook. And then I have given you another word. Here there are some another words. So this can be copied down in your online assignment book. A disease that affects a large number of people in an area at the same time. That is called as epidemic. Second, a disease which is spread by direct contact. It is called as contagious. A doctor who specializes in the eye diseases of the eyes. Ophthalmologist. Former student of a school, college or university. Alumnus. Game in which no one wins. Draw. Large sleeping room with many beds. Dormitory. List of books and writing of an author or one subject. Bibliography. Man who does not know how to read or write. Illiterate. A person interested in reading books and nothing else. Bookworm. A room in a big house, hotel, etc., where glasses, dishes, spoon, etc. are kept. Pantry. So I hope you people understood it and will be writing this thing in your online assignment book. See, here more are there. I am reading it. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, cosmetic, etc. Boutique. A song embodying religious and scared emotions. Hymns. A speaker's platform. Podium. A study of sound is known as phonetics. a test in which cells from deceased organ are removed and tested, biopsy. A written statement about someone's character by an employer, testimonial. An established principle of practical wisdom, maxim. An extract from a book of writing, excerpt. Commencement of adjacent word with the same letter, alliteration. Existing only in the mind, imaginary. Interval between two events, interlude. Life story of a person written by another, biography. List of issues to be discussed at a meeting, agenda. One who believes in offering equal opportunity to women in all spheres, feminist. One who has become dependent on something or drugs, addict. So I hope there is enough words I have given to you. There is no need of going and searching on the internet. You can write these words. It is more than enough to you. Write down in your online assignment book. Okay. Moving further. Transforming complex to simple by using phrases like to or using noun phrases instead of a clause. Already we have completed by this thing. As I have given you slide by slide the answers. Here it is mixed up. Answer has been merged and given to you. Okay. See, I have not given you the answer of Sachin is a good cricketer, Dhoni is a good cricketer. Here you can write compound noun. Sachin and Dhoni is a good cricketer. You can combine and you can write like this. Okay. Moving further. I hope the things are visible to you people. This also we have completed. Use of noun in apposition. Now see, this is as we have completed by our exercise, our brainstorming activity. Just for remembering you for good summary writing, how we can make a good summary writing. The first point is only main points of the text or lecture. Second, it need not give examples, details such as dates, numbers, statistics, etc. Omit describing words, definition, repetitions, comparison, etc. Use content words, linking words or connectors. Omit detail. Avoid your own opinion or interpretation. Avoid quotation, anecdotes, examples, etc. So this thing you have to remember while you are writing your summary. Okay. And the main thing is that you have to write or you have to provide a title to your summary compulsorily. Now moving further. Now see, let's sum up. You have to remember this whenever you are writing your summary, as it is for 3 marks in your paper. Your first step is read the article twice. Already I have given you these things in my earlier videos. Again I am reminding you, just a revision of summary writing. Read the article twice. Ask question about the purpose of writing. Identify the main idea. Write the first draft. Revise your first draft and edit it. Write a final draft. This thing you can get in your textbook also, English textbook also. Okay. Try this. Cut redundant words. Words which are unnecessary. Past history, round circle. So past history, you can use past. Round circle, you can use circle. One word substitution, a list of books. So you can use catalog. Use of noun in apposition. Transforming complex to simple. Be concise. Use and linking of content words. Avoid definition. Avoid repetition. All this thing we have already done in our earlier video and in this video too. Okay, so I hope you people have completed by all the things and there is no doubt in summary writing. We have completed by our 3.1 summary writing, icebreakers, explanation and the brainstorming activities of our English textbook. Now see, here I have given you again a homework to you people. Write a brief summary of the extract with the help of the following points given below. Suggest a suitable title for it. There are many different kind of musical instruments. They are divided into 3 main classes according to the way they are played. For example, some instruments are played by blowing air into them. These are called wind instruments. In some of this, the air is made to vibrate inside a wooden tube, and these are said to be of the wind family. The example of this family are the flute, the clarinet, and the bassoon. Other instruments are made of brass. The trumpet and the horn are the examples. There are also various other wind instruments such as the mouth organ and the bagpipes. So this is the passage I have given to you. You have to write a summary on your own and provide a suitable title to it. I have also given the answer related to it just for your helping hand. As a helping hand, I have given the answer for this. See, more passages given to you, and the points has also given provided to you. Taking the help of this point, you have to make your summary. Okay, so our answer is musical instrument is the title of this summary, or you can give a better one which you like. And see, the answer of the summary can be, there are many different kinds of musical instruments. They are divided into three main classes: wind instrument in bracket flute, the clarinet and the bassoon; percussion instrument in bracket drum; and string instrument in bracket harp, guitar, bracket close. How to play it: wind instrument by blowing air; percussion instrument banging or striking at string instrument by plugging the strings. So this is the, in short, the summary of the provided passage. You can write in your own also, but you have to write compulsory in your online assignment book. Solve your brainstorming activity. I have completed A1, A2, A3. A4 is your homework, that you have to find a summer passage and you have to create your own summary. You have to read a book. Okay, so on internet you can take any book and you can read it and make a summary of that particular book. And A2 of our A4 exercise, A4 second one, that you have, whatever the question is given to you, you have to do as a homework. Okay, so I hope you will do your homework in your online assignment book. So till then, for our next session, inshallah, I am going to start by 4.1, that is about the novel. Till then, thank you so much for listening. Stay at home, stay safe.